How big of a CO2 tank do I need for my keg or my brewing operation? Well, this question is two different answers, okay? If it's a brewing operation, you need a big tank. How big's your brewing operation? But as the same with both, how big of a CO2 tank do I need for my keg? Generally, people go after a 5-pound CO2 tank because it's the easiest, the most cost efficient, maybe a 10-pound, but guess what? It doesn't matter if it's a 5-pound, a 10-pound, a 25, no, there's no 25, 20-pound, see, we did a keyword on that, that's why I said that. A 20-pound CO2 tank or a 50-pound CO2 tank or larger. Just put it this way, the larger the CO2 tank, the more CO2 you have, the less you gotta run to the store and get refills. So if you're brewing a ton of beer and clearly there's an operation going on, go ahead and get a larger CO2 tank because it's more cost efficient to buy bulk CO2. The more CO2 you buy, the less it's gonna cost, but also the less you're gonna have to go to the store. Time and energy and fuel, it all calculates into the cost. If that's more of the information you need to know and you just wanted a quick answer, 5 or 10 pound CO2 tank or 5 or 10 pound CO2 cylinder as people call it, that will get you through and that works best for your keg. But any tank works if it's CO2 and it's a regular gas CO2 tank, not a siphon tank. More information, youtube.com/CryoFX or CryoFX.com. And if you need gas, CryoFX.com/gas. Thanks for watching.